Wagwan bad people, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Prettii attack a bag of things about Alkaline and Masicka. Prettii give Alkaline his flowers, and she also has a Masicka a coward and Fraid a Alkaline. Viewers and subs Prettii talk a bag of things. Plus we also have Valiant and Teejay link up back. And for those who did not know, Valiant and Teejay, they used to diss up each other. Yeah man, the two entertainers them used to diss up each other, and yeah man, so far it seems like them settle the beef, and them a shake each other and them a show respect. So watch man, we have them two topic if you touch pan. So watch man, big up on yourself like always. Remember, leave a subscribe if you're new.
We have Bounty and Meaning. In the 2000s we have who?
Cartel
and Mavado. In the late 2000s, who if you have now?
Masicka and Alkaline. Which is right? Which is right?
That are the new war we fear go on, my boy.
I think the whole fact
Let me tell you this now. Remember, I know? Sorry, genocide. Genocide, you know bigger than that time, me Jimmy. I tell you that thing, really bigger. They know in here. That I know. You know big like that, my boy.
They got a clan over there.
They got a clan. Alkaline.
They got a clan.
I want pussy clan. Feed him down the sons,
Yeah, man.
I want cult,
that
man.
Cold, yeah, they do. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Me say if Alkaline get up, man, and say that, hush and trim. The whole detonation trim. You hear me? I tell her that boy. Me not say your crooks them no outside and you not have your cult in, but you see that boy they with me and blood clot Alkaline. Anything when blood clot say like that,
Yeah, man. They got a clan.
So you see if a dynasty like that for clash in a dance hall, big market.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
That and the crooks them in a one, bro. No arena can hold that.
Because the younger generation, them love them. And the two artists, the younger generation, them love them.
Remember, I know, Barclays, right. No hold that. You have data fans, genocide fans. Wait to go hold. You hear me, boy? Wait to go hold. That they fight there.
And then the two of them, they are fine.
Cartel give them. We used to make money and then not see it. Cartel and Mavado can't broke because of the Gully Gaza war, you know, for the rest of them. You see, Cartel and Mavado go up on tour for the Gully Gaza war right now.
Next money that again, man. Is that next money that
That's like 2 million a show for them each.
Yeah,
you know why, bro? They not going to find no arena big enough to hold it. This
I know what the two clan them all link up in a one stadium now.
Remember say a song after song. Remember say every song in a Gully Gaza and that are over 200 songs.
It's a 2 hour show that.
Each side.
Each one of them I forget hour, yeah man.
When you talk about that show there, you know. Remember say more Cartel do 200 songs for the Gaza and the Gully do 200 songs. When the fuck that the war they going done? That the war that start from 7 o'clock in the morning or 1 o'clock in the morning. Then not reach a broad daylight yet. So, he man did that give Alkaline them up. But Alkaline see it. And Masicka a coward. Masicka, you know, willing to put your career upon the line. Like how Alkaline willing to do it. Remember, say it's a step Alkaline I take that to put for him career upon the line, you know. But he youth believe in himself. Say him know, say, oh, if he slam 2 shots in your face and you can't do nothing about blood clot that because you're a coward. I say you make the Jove feel. I say you make blood clot Alkaline feel. Right now, Alkaline are really him for you. The man himself. Believe because you're afraid him. And the man prove it over and over for about 4 years now. Alkaline a show dancers say you're a coward. Because him about 4 years straight now him a show it off for you. What you do? We too rich right there around here. It's all like we rich and I make big money and the boy them care. Dog, let me tell you this. Money at that time was strengthening a pussy clock dancehall. Me no care what kind of riches you think say you have yet, Masicka. Now you not prove yourself to dancehall, you cute. Remember say Alkaline war many blood clot times, youth. Many times improve himself. You and Idonia did not war. Idonia did not look at you. Are you alone a fight for all those years? Allow me to tell Pizzle. Pizzle, show me what. Skoda, show me one time where blood clot down your hand side. Show me. Show me one time and say, yo, dog, remember say don't do that. Don't do that war with you not one time. Are you alone did that fight? I'll know you not prove yourself in a dance hall and going to war yet. I'll know. But Alkaline have done it over and over. I'm a Gaza fan and I said that. I mean, I tell you that youth, that they look at youth, they proving badness in a dance hall. You feel me? I deal with me youth. Them man they go up against the king, the prince. Can't remember, you know. You have to call blood clot Sir Popcorn the blood clot prince, you know. I'm the prince. Cause him father the blood clot king. Him the prince, look much hit song. Not even blood clot Alkaline have as much hit song as Popcorn. Everybody know that. You feel me? I deal with? So when you see man go shoot a Viking, shoot a prince. The man having criteria in a war. Masicka, where
all the general in this.
All the general, all mother in this. So where is your criteria in a war? We hear your bad tune them all the time. Gunshot, you the swamp lock, ray. When you are going really go be a titan, go be a gladiator, go stand in that ring. You see me? Go prove your dominance in a dance hall. You say you're the baddest thing, show me.
So viewers and subs, when you think about that, Prettii done attack a bag of things like I said, and she have a really good point. Masicka always a say him are the baddest, and yet him not prove it. You cannot say you're the baddest and not prove it. I said this multiple times. Masicka, a bad artist. Everybody in a dance are supposed to know that. There's no going around that fact. Masicka is a bad artist and we know that. But I know Masicka not prove it. So viewers and subs, leave a take in the comments. Yeah man, so Teejay and Valiant used to diss up each other wicked, and now them finally link up back and you know, I show respect amongst each other. All DJ Mac, Teejay used to diss up. You see me? Cause I don't know say DJ Mac and Valiant power, so DJ Mac I go get in the crossfire between the two artists them when them a clash. Yeah man, so it's a good look between the two artists them to see them finally link up and I leave the past in the past. You see me? Yeah man, big up both artists, Valiant and Teejay. Viewers and subs, big up on yourself. Money than drop a song, Anima this up chronicler. You can go check it out to Fraggy, Jaja, the war I get hot. No, well, it been hot from start, so I can't say it I get hot. It been hot. You see me? Yeah man, big up on yourself. Leave a subscribe like always.